Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add and edit your favorite quotes to a video by using CapCut. So here, if you want to make a quote video, what you need to do is first add the video, then just write your favorite quotes. So in here, I'm going to just paste it. I've already copied it before. And you can change the text to the font that you want. I'm going to use this italic font and I'm going to change the spacing, okay, justify left like this. And you can also change the color of the font if you want, but I'm going to just leave it as it is. Then here I'm going to make it half of the video. And after that, here I'm going to, so this is optional, but I'm going to add a quotation mark overlay like this, so that I'm going to put it in here. And for the text, I'm going to put it in the position like this. Now I'm going to add animation. So for the quotes, I'm going to add the type 2 animation like this, and I'm going to make it okay like that. Click on the check icon, and also for the overlay, I'm going to add animation. Okay, I'm going to set the duration the same with the text. And for the animation, I'm going to just add a fade in for the quotation mark overlay. So just click on the check icon and this will be the result. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.